CBS 42 News.
Oh, we're talking a little bit about baseball. A beautiful day, really starting to feel like the right season for that.
Absolutely. The Masters going on here on CBS 42 this weekend.
Yeah, and, this is going to be one of those weekends for the Masters. I think the weather will be great all the way through, which, at times we can battle not only pretty healthy storm systems, but also a lot of rain. But tonight, here locally, we're not battling anything except for maybe a few clouds, and they're not amounting to a whole lot. It is going to be turning cooler later tonight, and it will stay dry with the exception of a couple of light sprinkles that will pass through. And most of this will likely be what we call virga. That's where the rain falls from the clouds and then it hits a dry layer in the atmosphere just a few hundred feet off of the ground, maybe up to 1,000, and that's where it evaporates. So it never gets down to the surface even though it's falling from the clouds. 73 right now, winds out of the west at 16. Dew point now at 39, so that's the drier air I'm talking about. Humidity now at 29%. Again, never rule out a passing sprinkle or two with the setup we have. All of the rain is to the north of us. We're looking at dry conditions here locally. As we go in for a closer look, a couple of sprinkles, very fast moving sprinkles, now moving along 278 just south of Weiss Lake. And Cherokee County, you might have this for another 2-3 minutes or so, and that would be about it. Most of it will be out of there in short order. Here's the Storm Track Futurecast for the remainder of tonight. And cloud cover, well, we've got it now. And as we go through the evening, notice the green blips popping up here for the potential of a few passing sprinkles. Again, this is a fast-moving situation. Not a lot in the way of rain will necessarily reach the ground. Don't be surprised to get a couple of drops, maybe on the windshield. But overall, by 10 o'clock, a couple of showers possible in eastern Calhoun as well as northern Blount counties. And then that tracks towards the east, and then a couple of more showers possible for Blount back into Talladega, northern Clay counties, Calhoun, all the way over into Cleburne County. So with those showers, they're not going to really have much of an impact on most of us, but they will be out of here rather quickly. Tomorrow morning, good-looking start. We will have a few clouds, but overall plenty of sunshine. Gorgeous day for our Friday. Temperatures just a bit cooler than what we have had over the past several days. We'll see numbers back into the 60s. So tonight, 47 is the low, partly cloudy, isolated sprinkle. Again, that will be east of I-65. Winds out of the west-northwest at 3 to 9. And looking at the Storm Track 7-day, this looks much better. Lots of sun, highs into the upper 50s to upper 60s by Sunday, so a quick turnaround temperature-wise. But there will be some patchy frost with lows into the mid and upper 30s. And again, for those of you headed down to Auburn for the A-Day game, I've got fantastic news. It will be gorgeous. It'll be cool, it'll be dry and comfortable. Next chance of rain and a few thunderstorms back in here on Tuesday. And again, another shot at a shower on Thursday. I'll get it out here.